Welcome to Quick Tech, your go-to source for the latest in tech reviews, tips, and tutorials. Hey everyone, today we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of your online presence, web hosting. In this video, we're reviewing the best web hosting providers in 2024, so let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with a name you've probably heard before, Bluehost. It's kind of a classic in the web hosting world, and for good reason. Bluehost has built a reputation for delivering rock-solid uptime. That means your website stays up and running, which is, kind of important. But it's not just about keeping the lights on. Bluehost also gets a lot of praise for its customer service. They've got a really responsive team that's available 24/7 to help you out if you run into any snags. Now, Bluehost offers a pretty wide range of plans, and this is where things get interesting. They've got options that cater to everyone from absolute beginners to seasoned developers. One of the things that makes Bluehost stand out is their seamless integration with WordPress. If you're planning to build your site using WordPress, Bluehost makes the whole process really easy. They've got this one-click WordPress installation that takes all the headache out of getting started. And to sweeten the deal, they throw in a free domain name for the first year. But it's not just about WordPress. Bluehost can handle other types of websites too. So, whether you're building a personal blog, an online store, or something completely different, Bluehost has the tools to get you up and running. They've got different hosting packages with varying levels of storage, bandwidth, and features. Overall, it's a solid choice, especially for beginners. So if you're looking for a dependable web host that won't break the bank and plays nicely with WordPress, Bluehost is definitely worth checking out. Plus, with their range of features and excellent support, you can focus on what really matters, building and growing your website. All right, moving on to our next contender, we've got SiteGround. Now, SiteGround has been making waves in the web hosting world, and for good reason. They've really focused on delivering a premium experience, and that shows in a couple of key areas. First off, SiteGround is known for its blazing fast performance. They've invested heavily in their infrastructure, using things like SSD storage and Google Cloud Platform to make sure your website loads super quick. And in the online world, speed is king. Nobody wants to wait around for a slow website, right? So, SiteGround's focus on performance is a big deal. But it's not just about raw speed. SiteGround also gets top marks for its customer support. They've got a really knowledgeable and responsive support team that's available 24/7 to assist you with any issues you might encounter. SiteGround's support goes beyond just troubleshooting basic problems. They've got experts who can actually help you optimize your website for speed and security. On top of that, SiteGround offers some really innovative features like automated daily backups and a free SSL certificate. Now, all this goodness doesn't come cheap. But if you're serious about your online presence and need a web host that can deliver top-notch performance, SiteGround is worth every penny. They're a fantastic choice for businesses, professionals, and anyone who demands the best for their website. All right, let's shift gears and talk about A2 Hosting. Now, if speed is your top priority, A2 Hosting needs to be on your radar. These guys are obsessed with speed, and it shows in their hosting plans. They've got these things called turbo servers, which are specifically engineered to deliver lightning-fast loading times. We're talking up to 20 times faster page loads compared to traditional hosting environments. That's a pretty bold claim, but A2 Hosting actually backs it up. They use a combination of cutting-edge technologies like light-speed web server, SSD storage, and optimized server configurations to squeeze every ounce of performance out of their infrastructure. And the result is a web hosting experience that's seriously snappy. But speed isn't the only thing A2 Hosting has going for it. They also offer a 99.9% uptime guarantee, which is pretty much the industry standard for reliability. And if for some reason your website does experience downtime, they have a really cool feature called Anytime Money Back Guarantee. This means you can request a refund for the downtime, no questions asked. A2 Hosting also understands that sometimes you need to switch things up. They offer free website migrations, so you don't have to worry about the technical hassle of moving your site. Their support team will take care of everything for you, which is super convenient. Now, A2 Hosting does have a slightly different pricing structure compared to some other providers. They offer a variety of plans, each with different features and resources, but they also have different renewal rates. Overall, though, A2 Hosting is an excellent choice for anyone who prioritizes speed and performance. If you're looking for a web host that can handle high-traffic websites, or if you just hate slow loading times, A2 Hosting is definitely worth considering. They have a proven track record of delivering consistent performance, making them a reliable choice for businesses and individuals alike. Plus, their customer testimonials and positive reviews speak volumes about their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. So, if speed and reliability are what you need, A2 Hosting has got you covered. Alright, let's talk about a web hosting provider that's perfect for those who are on a tighter budget, HostGator. Now, HostGator has been around forever, and they've built a reputation for offering affordable hosting without sacrificing too much on quality. One of the things that sets HostGator apart is its unmetered bandwidth. It means that HostGator doesn't set a hard limit on the amount of data that can be transferred to and from your website each month. This is a big deal, especially if you anticipate having a lot of visitors or if you're hosting large files like videos or images. With unmetered bandwidth, you don't have to worry about hitting data caps and incurring overage fees. But it's not just about the bandwidth. HostGator also throws in a free website builder with their hosting plans. This website builder is surprisingly intuitive and easy to use. Even if you have zero coding experience, you can drag and drop elements to create a professional-looking website in no time. And if you run into any trouble along the way, HostGator has your back. They offer 24/7 customer support, so you can always get help if you need it. Now, it's important to note that while HostGator's pricing is incredibly competitive, their renewal rates do tend to be higher. But overall, HostGator is a fantastic choice for individuals, small businesses, and anyone who's looking for a budget-friendly hosting solution that doesn't skimp on features. Finally, let's wrap things up with InMotion Hosting. Now, InMotion Hosting might not be as well known as some of the other providers on this list, but they're definitely worth considering, especially if you're running a business website. They've carved out a niche for themselves by offering robust security features, reliable performance, and excellent customer support. One of the things that sets InMotion Hosting apart is its focus on security. They understand that for businesses, website security is paramount. That's why they include a bunch of security features with their hosting plans, including free SSL certificates, hack protection, and automatic malware scanning. They even offer a service called Website Security, which provides an even higher level of protection against malware, hacking attempts, and other online threats. So you can rest assured that your website and your customers' data are in good hands. But it's not just about security. InMotion Hosting also delivers excellent performance. They use a combination of SSD storage, data centers located strategically around the world, and advanced caching technologies to ensure fast loading times for your website. And they offer a 99.9% uptime guarantee, so you can count on your website being up and running whenever your visitors need it. InMotion Hosting also understands that sometimes things don't go as planned. That's why they offer a generous 90-day money-back guarantee. Now, InMotion Hosting's plans do tend to be a bit pricier compared to some of the more budget-friendly options out there. But for businesses that prioritize security, reliability, and performance, InMotion Hosting is worth the investment. They provide a comprehensive package that ensures your website runs smoothly and securely, giving you peace of mind to focus on growing your business. So, if you're looking for a hosting provider that offers top-notch security, excellent performance, and reliable customer support, InMotion Hosting should definitely be on your radar. Choosing the right web hosting provider can make a significant difference in your online success. Each of these providers offers something unique, so consider your specific needs when making a decision. Do you prioritize speed? Are you on a tight budget? Is security your top concern? Once you know what's important to you, you can narrow down your choices and find the perfect web host for your next project. Be sure to check them out, compare their plans, and see which one aligns best with your requirements. If you want to join one of these WeHosting, check our description for links. Have you used any of these web hosting providers? Let us know your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching Quick Tech. Please subscribe to Quick Tech, like, and share knowledge. Until next time, stay tech savvy and stay ahead. Cheers!